for legal reasons, this is not a tutorial.
It is, yes, this is...
HDD.
This is just
so
an
that's going to
adventure.
be... So the
Everybody watching, welcome. This is a special stream we got here. Our special guest, Dan Swenson.
Hello.
Some of you may know him. Yeah, this is my cousin. So we're too dumb to figure this stuff out ourselves, so we brought in an expert. And hopefully we can deconstruct one PC and build two more in the span of
2 hours.
2 hours.
Or as long as the
2
Zoom
hours.
call takes 45 minutes.
Right.
Ooh.
There's no way.
All right. Start opening.
Oh,
I don't even know.
Here, I'll take the reins here since I know
since
this
this
beast.
is this is Nate's from 2016.
Well, honestly, we could just leave. Oh no, because you need this case.
Yeah, he needs the case.
I said buy a case, and everyone's just like, why buy a case when you got Nate's?
You got my beast of a. How dusty is it in there?
It's not actually bad. Oh god, that's heavy.
We should
Start naming things.
Start naming things.
Start naming things.
Oh my god.
Yeah, Joe, this is your test right now.
My test I'd fail.
Okay,
Then I
first of all,
wouldn't
Nathan,
engage.
What the hell is this?
Hey, that just.
That's
fell.
just free.
No, it fell, guys. This was on top of here. It just fell. This just fell today when I was bringing it up.
Oh,
here.
yeah. Yeah, I would just start unplugging stuff. Did you ever get the double-sided tape?
Mhm.
Okay, good, because that's going to be better than putting it on a metal hard drive cage.
All right. This is scary. This is my livelihood.
Just everything gone.
Don't.
Just
say
imagine, and
Don't
let's
say it.
put the odds in the chat if that happens tonight, huh? I'm saying 50-50, because I feel like I'm in Watergate, just taking the hard drive.
No, this is Benghazi.
Oh god, that's true. Just throw it in the bag. Throw it in the bag. Because we can still quit while we're ahead, you know? Like, we can
Right.
still
Guys,
stop.
put it back in.
Resell everything. It's all in the package. It doesn't matter.
Two different types of RAM. Not just two different speeds, but two different brands.
Oh, bro, yeah. No, it's fucked.
I mean, at least you're using the dual channel correctly.
Oh my god, that was amazing. Hey, you're the god in my PC is being dethroned tonight at Olympus.
Dan, I don't know jack shit.
Remove it once all the screws are out. So that is a Zotac Gaming GeForce 1660. Was it Super or TI?
Yeah. Yeah, look
That
at
is-
that thing.
Tiny.
Yeah, it's some would say just a Republican cruiser.
Right.
Not a flagship.
Alright, so let's start pulling out
I thought you said Republican.
the fans. Here's your mess. Do you just have the one fan?
In
the front? Looks like it.
This thing is never overheated.
Well, you don't necessarily have stuff in here to overheat.
Guys, I don't know if the camera really understands, but this is a Dan. Please.
Just putting me in my place.
The parts in here are good. It's just they're not throwing out heat.
Yeah.
All right.
High quality parts.
Motherboard.
No.
Do not fuck the motherboard.
I'm gonna frisbee that bitch across the room.
I mean, you could probably sell this for like $50.
I was thinking about selling it to our friend Lenars just for like a test bench sort of.
Yeah,
Okay.
you could.
Nate, let me just say that your life and dreams right now, they were something, but now we're realizing that they weren't anything.
Well, I'm just trying to think. A test bench would be fine. It's just what are you testing with? Because eventually you're going to run into compatibility issues with newer stuff.
I guess
Putting
not,
a newer
not,
processor.
not
in.
like test bench, but like a. I
Like a server.
understand now. Like a I guess like a server.
Here, frisbee time.
Oh
Frisbee
my
time.
god.
This is the beast that has brought you all of your favorite Looney Bin videos.
Except
All
for my
of-
HP Envy laptop.
Yeah, that's true. And those were only podcasts.
Yeah, those
though.
are only
all
podcasts.
of your favorite Looney Bin short films. All of the gaming streams on Rocket League. There's all this and that. And now
It should.
We're throwing it out to the curb because she's no good anymore.
This was apparently a 4-pack because it says 4 GB or 4G by 8, or is that?
Where did you buy this from?
That might actually be. I don't know if DDRT was ever dual bank or not.
I have the memory of a rat.
Do with that what you want.
Oh my god, it's so short.
Where the fuck do I put this crap?
In the freezer. Put it in the freezer.
Yeah.
There should be. I wouldn't use a knife on this.
Oh god. It's first mistake.
Yeah.
Just letting everyone else know that it was
Yeah,
me.
it's about time for John to get dogged down.
I would take it. I respond really well with getting dogged on. Because you know, the second time I get dogged on, I won't make the same damn mistake.
You'll make a different one.
Yep.
So this is probably going to be, if I remember correctly, the socket for 12th and 13th gen Intel. Don't quote me on that because I do not usually do Intel stuff.
AMD guy over here.
Yeah.
I am an AMD
Now
person.
I'm an AMD guy too.
Okay. More cores for the same price.
Okay. Yeah.
Lift this up.
That's where you put the water.
If you want to buy a new motherboard, that's where you put the water. And you just drop it in. Yep. That's it. And now.
Yeah.
This is the most satisfying part.
I'm gonna let you do that, but you push it down and close it. The plastic piece will pop up. So try not to push on the plastic, but push on the metal there.
We should all have our fucking lawyers present for this.
Yep.
Does that look right?
Yep.
Well, if it's not right, it's
It's already
worthless now.
fucked,
So.
yeah.
Yep.
And
I hope it is.
There goes
I
a
hope.
CPU and a motherboard.
All right. Don't lose this, because if you ever need to take the CPU out, you can put that back on to protect the motherboard.
Oh, I lost mine. That's gone.
Because, you know, you think the packaging would be a lot more, you know, cooler instead of just, you know, trying to grab your transformer out of the box. Because try the other one.
Mine has a magnet to hold
Just
the bit. in.
breaks.
Oh
boom.
my
Just drive it into the motherboard. So this is, yep, M.2 2280, and that's just the sizing. And I think that's just the length and
Girth.
not, maybe millimeters. Millimeters, yeah. We forgot to take out the booklet.
Oh. Thank you. Here we go.
Yeah, that side. So yep, that drops down, and then it's gonna be very crunchy. Push it farther. Keep going.
Oh my.
Oh, that's one side.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh. Alright, I need a drink. I need a break here.
Got another one.
Yeah,
I know I got
this is
it.
actually.
CPU cooler. That is a hard drive
Oh.
for a CPU. Besides, like, you know, the stock ones.
Or chunky.
Make sure, yeah, don't touch the bottom of that anywhere, because that's thermal paste. So,
Yeah.
Here.
I'll help you out here.
just stick it in the holes.
Clip it.
Yeah, just stick it in.
And just stick it in.
Oh yeah, just like that. Because, I mean, there's like 2 sets of holes there.
Just
Thank
the
you.
silent look to camera.
Even if you break it, that's fine. Microsoft Center is 20 minutes away.
Yeah, I love how you keep saying Microsoft Center.
It's
should be
Micro
mi-
Center.
It's
No,
just
it's-
free promo.
No, it's Microsoft Center. We're sponsored.
So depending on how you want it orientated, you could change it. Because you could either have it blowing out the top of the case, but the top's currently covered, or you could blow it out the back.
God, I love-
This stream is just filled with great content.
No question is a dumb question.
Oh, granted, see, exactly.
I'd rather have you learn so I don't have to come back.
It's such a pain to be here.
Yeah, it is. It's the worst.
John, have you come to terms with the fact that you're gonna have a full-blown PC after this is done?
Oh yeah, because my bank account says I should.
For legal reasons, this is not a tutorial.
It is, yes, this is...
HDD.
This is
LED.
just
so
an
that's going to
adventure.
be like that, and so you're going to want that corner. This corner.
Thanks. Thanks, B. BB.
You are going to turn on your computer.
Here we go, guys. Let's catch this moment live.
You have to turn on the back first. So on
Down
the
low,
power
baby.
supply on the bottom. so that's powering the system.
Oh, baby.
Is there? So yep, you got. Oh, you do have RGB.
Guys, let's go. How about that?
All right, so power is getting to the motherboard. That's good. And then
Here we go.
A little wobble.
Yep. That's good. Fan spun up.
Light a little light up there.
All right, then we're gonna spam F2 and delete Windows 10. But
Tough gaming, guys. What a meme of a
perfect.
There it goes.
And it works.
All right, this is looking good.
All right, first rig done. I got it. Wait. Everybody shut up. Oh, yeah. Guys, welcome to hour 4 of this PC building stream.
And hopefully that holds. And then we're gonna install this because that's gonna be easy. Oh,
Dan, my premium hard drive mounting system. Oh, jeezer.
this is gonna be fun when we start it up and we just hear fans hitting stuff.
Yeah. We're just gonna, before we turn this on here, we're just gonna get a little toast here. Just spending money like we have it. And
That's something.
yeah, I got nothing else. All right, cheers.
Cheers. It's either gonna work or it's not. Oh, we got a fan.
Should I kill it? Or should we just?
Oh, it's definitely that cable.
Okay. Blinking LEDs on a motherboard is a bad sign.
Usually. Oh no, we got a post. Fucking function. Something happened.
Let's go!
It does not like this keyboard.
Tap it harder. So the thing, no, like the button. Because it's like, sometimes maybe we should try a restart again. Right.
Please, fucking work. Pretty much disconnect stuff until it works.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Did you use the same cables that were in the power supply? Was it in the power supply or
It
no?
is,
Wait.
and I still
Hey,
have...
hey, we
Oh,
got
is it
close.
working now?
Yeah.
Were you seeing
We're
the
in BIOS, yes. We got through the post into BIOS.
Check.
Nathan, is this mouse on? Not working. This is what happens when you build a computer. Yeah, so keyboard's no longer working.
Did it
Is it a
freeze?
wired board?
Oh, it did freeze.
Power. It doesn't even use a.
I just rebooted now, and then Nathan was poking around, and I think it rebooted again.
What? What do you mean be poking around? I'm underneath the case. Oh, we got BIOS back.
All right, BIOS is back. It's moving.
Oh, we
All right.
got a mouse.
We got a mouse.
Guys, let's fucking boot this thing before it freezes again. That should solve the issue, right?
Yeah.
Bradley's brother's still alive and awake right now.
Guys, let's get him over here.
Yeah, fuck
Guys,
it.
let's get him the fuck over here. Let's add one more brain to this
All right, cool.
shithole.
Save and exit. Hopefully it works. Oh, then we have to configure the boot drive. Oh, we need to plug in the fucking drives. I just want to go to bed. Where's my wine?
Oh,
Wait, what is this?
that's a great sign.
This is a great sign that it's not even displaying anymore.
It's kind of like
Oh my
I mean, that's good that it spun up and then spun back down. I suppose you can see. It's not picking up the drive. System instability. F1.
User diff.
I don't think
It's a user issue.
skill issue.
This is a skill issue.
Oh, well then, I mean, either way, you get the selected. So.
Which one is it?
I don't think that's it's any of those cables.
It's interesting that it doesn't.
Yeah.
If it's a broken fan, I can just get you a new fan. Hey, Windows! Guys, Windows! Oh, God. Look at the screen, Nate.
Oh, that's not good.
Boot manager image is corrupt. The system cannot boot.
I wonder if it's still able.
No post. Pulled up battery. Battery's back in. Turning it on. Power button. Pray to God.
All right. Thanks.
Thanks.
Yeah, have a good night.
You too.
Bye.
Well, guys, Dan, I appreciate it.
Yep. It's an L.
It's a fat L.